Auxiliary contacts provide control and signaling functions. Auxiliary contact 3SB71CR usage example. Connect 3SB71CR to the circuit breaker. First, close the circuit breaker through the internal connection hole of the circuit breaker. Upper and lower connection holes handle connection holes. To connect 3SB71CR upper and lower connection holes handle connection holes. Test after installation. Ensure the auxiliary contacts work properly. Test whether the buzzer is working properly. Connect a buzzer to determine the contact status. When the circuit breaker is in the open state, contact 1112 is in closed state. 1114 is the open state. Connect the buzzer to the contacts 1112. Buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts 1114. Buzzer does not alarm. Close the circuit breaker. At the same time, the auxiliary contacts closed. After closing, contacts 1112 are disconnected. Contact 1114 closed. 1112 is the open state. Connect the buzzer to contacts 1114. Buzzer alarm. Connect the buzzer to contacts 11 and 12. Buzzer does not alarm. Installation conclusion. The contacts are closed normally and the auxiliary contacts are working normally.